Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today it's all about the Nokia, which is 105, but this is stating that it's a dual. We have a UI here now, so as you can just understand it, let me just shift everything on the table. So getting started is just that quite easy. First thing first, I like the way they program the key layout right now. It's something which is amazing. If I click the power button, you can see there's a switch off button and controlling the volume, which is something which is so incredible. Another kind of stuff which is so amazing is just that you can go back to home menu. It's just the same, nothing's changed. You can go to, which is quite impressive to my own kind of aspect. You can see we got the context there. You can just search your context you have. You can just go back to call log if you have a call log. You can just check out the clock. You can set some alarms, which is so incredible, and you can turn on flashlight if it's your thing, you know what I'm saying. And you can just do a bunch of stuff if you would like with this kind of device, which they're just quite minimal. You can even check out the calculator. You can just do a little bit of math, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's something which is quite impressive. It's just minimal to get you things there. You can check out the calendar, which is quite impressive. You can go back, you can turn on the radio if you have a headset. So I recommend having a headset so as you can just work greatly. So if you just click it here, your FM radio will be on, then you're good to go. So yeah, another kind of stuff which is quite impressive. You get some games here. Some of the games they're sold, I don't know why. You get the Tetris from back in the days. You want sound? Yeah, sure. So play. Then yeah, I love Tetris. It's a good game. I guess I'm the worst on Tetris and stuff. So another kind of stuff which is so impressive are the games right here. They're just actually trial. If you just try playing them, some of them they say you're paid, but now I can see it's working. I don't know what happened, but from the first time it just didn't do anything, which it was bananas. But so far so good. It's very incredible. We get this next game if it's your thing, you know. Back in the days we just love this game. And another kind of stuff which is incredible, it's just that's what is packed in, and it's a single SIM card. And another kind of stuff, it has the settings here. You can check out the settings. You can just adjust anything throughout the settings, which is incredible. incredible. I won't talk about a bunch of stuff inside the settings, but what I'll talk about, it's a micro charging, which is so incredible. Let me just adjust the focus there. You can see we are charging right now with a micro USB normal charging for smartphones. We are having a normal headphone jack and a flashlight, which is so incredible. At the back they didn't map anything, they just kept it in the minimal, just like this way. It's so nice. It's so thin and slim, somehow thin and slim, and yeah, it's just fantastic to my own kind of aspect. So to my own kind of aspect for this type of device, it's really legitimate. And the do's and don't about this device is just that the do's is just that it's so complex, it's so minimal. It gives you 18 hours of battery charge and standby time. I think to my own kind of aspect, that's how it's stated on the box. Another kind of stuff which is so nice, it's portable, you can just carry it anywhere. Another kind of do's, it's just that it's a micro USB charging. Forget about the older pin of Nokia, how they kept it. You can just charge it with a micro USB, which is so perfect. Another kind of stuff, it has an FM radio built in, which is it's so great. What was I saying? It's so great. And another kind of stuff which they don't about this phone, it's actually not built in for browsing. You can browse anything on this phone. And another kind of downside out of this phone is just that material wise, it's plastic and it's not that much legitimate. Considering on how the phone is kept, it's not that much 100% legitimate. It's just that, yeah, you feel like it's, yeah, and it's a budget phone, so you get it for 30,000 up to, no, actually it's 45,000. I bought it 45,000 shillings. So I think converting it into USD, it's almost like $20 or $21 up to there for this phone. I know it might be varying on the pricing on a different country. So this is how Nokia, they did it with the Nokia 105, it's called. It's so perfect. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim113. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. And last but not least, if you need to check out my last video about how I did that kind of amazing design, you can just click this card here up. It takes you definitely to the video. If you have any advice or anything, you can let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Yes, I'm challenging myself to use this device on using my SIM card of Airtel, and I think it's gonna be working so perfect. And remembering how back in the days it works, it's so amazing. So yeah, that's what's up.